Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you different ideas and trends of wall decoration for a living room. Wall decoration for a living room can vary depending on your style and preferences. Here are some ideas like artwork, hand paintings, prints, or photographs that resonate with your taste. You can choose a single large piece or create a gallery wall with multiple smaller pieces. Mirrors. Mirrors can make your living room appear larger and add a touch of elegance. Consider decorative mirrors in unique frames. Shelves. Install floating shelves to display books, decorative items, or plants. This adds both functionality and style to your wall. Wall decals. Vinyl wall decals come in various designs and can be easily applied and removed. They are a versatile and temporary way to add personality to your space. Textiles. Hang tapestries, woven wall hangings, or fabric panels for a bohemian or cozy look. Gallery wall. Create a gallery wall with a mix of framed family photos, artwork, and decorative elements for a personalized touch. Clocks. Oversized or vintage clocks can be a focal point and functional wall decor. 3D wall art. Add depth and texture with 3D wall art like metal sculptures, wooden panels, or geometric designs. Wallpaper. Choosing a stylish wallpaper pattern for an accent wall to create a striking focal point. Plants. Install wall-mounted planter or shelves to display indoor plants, bringing a touch of nature to your living room. Remember to consider the overall theme and color scheme of your living room when selecting wall decor to ensure a cohesive and harmonious look. Certainly, here are some creative wall decoration ideas for various styles and preferences. Use botanical prints, leafy wall decals, or create a living plant wall with vertical planters. Keep it simple with a single large monochromatic canvas or a sleek minimalistic clock. Hang vintage maps, framed old postcards, or unique style mirrors. Use metal wall art, exposed brick, or a grid of industrial style shelves with vintage items. Opt for abstract paintings or sculptures that add a sense of intrigue and modernity. Display a world map with pins indicating your travels or frame souvenirs and photos from your trip. Create a collage of family photos in matching frames for a personal touch. Showcase your favorite quotes or inspirational phrases using vinyl lettering or frame prints. Get creative with your own artwork such as watercolor paintings, handcrafted macrame, or unique mosaic. Decorate with a collection of items like vintage cameras, musical instruments, or decorative plates. Install floating shelves to display a mix of book plants and decorative objects. Incorporate gold or silver accents through mirrors, sculptures, or framed metallic prints. Paint a section of the wall with blackboard or whiteboard paints for note doodles or art. Create shadow boxes to display three-dimensional objects like seashells, pots, memorabilia, or figurines. Use colored tape to create geometric patterns or even anti-wall murals. Add glow-in-the-dark stickers or paint for a unique luminous effect at night. Dedicate a section of the wall for rotating displays of your child's artwork in colorful frames. Create intricate designs using nails and colorful string or thread. Install bookshelves from floor to ceiling for a library-like wall filled with books and decorative items. Incorporate interactive elements like a magnetic wall for art or a wall-mounted chessboard. When choosing wall decorations, consider the room's overall style, color scheme, and the mood you want to convey. Mixing and matching different ideas can also create a unique and electric look. Wall decoration trends can change over time, including by interior designs and style preferences. But in this video, we have shown the 2023 trends of wall decoration in a new way. Keep in mind that interior design trends can evolve over time, so it's essential to consider your personal style and preferences when decorating your wall. Additionally, trends may have evolved since my last update, so it's a good idea to consult current interior design sources for the latest trends in wall decoration. Hope you will like this video. Must share it with the friends and family members to choose the wall decoration ideas from our video, and must share your opinion through the comment section. Thank you.